friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to animate a screenshot in Premiere Pro. So let's get this started. I have a screenshot and a background picture. If you want to download my background picture, check the description. Select your screenshot and change the scale as you want. Then select your background image and go to Effect window. Then search Camera Blur. Apply this to your image. You can see that the background photo is blurred. You can change person's blur as you wish. Then select your screenshot. Go to Effects and search Basic 3D. Then apply it to a screenshot. Go to Effect Control panel. Click this specular highlight. Then animate your screenshot. Next, go to Effect and search Drop Shadow. Apply it to your screenshot. Adjust the settings. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I will see you in the next video.